Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dental treats is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked aspects of feline healthcare, playing a crucial role in maintaining your cat's overall well-being and happiness by tackling plaque, tartar, and bad breath, ultimately contributing to a healthier and more vibrant life for your beloved furry companion. Number 5. Oxyfresh Premium Pet Dental Care Solution. Finally, a simple solution to eliminate bad breath in your furry friends. This is the best and easiest way to keep their breath fresh. Achieve cleaner teeth and healthier gums without the struggle. Our veterinarian recommended additive works wonders in their water bowl. Tired of brushing your pet's teeth? Simply add a capful to their water daily. It's the easiest dental care routine ever. Even the pickiest eaters will love it. It's completely odorless and tasteless, so they won't even know it's in their water. Trusted by pet parents and recommended by vets, this dental solution is made with high-quality ingredients. It truly works to eliminate bad breath. What we like? This product is odorless and tasteless, making it perfect for even the pickiest eaters. It's incredibly easy to use, simply add it to your cat's water bowl. If you're looking for a completely hassle-free way to improve your cat's dental hygiene without them even noticing, this is the one. What people say. The product is effective in cleaning cats' teeth. My cat enjoys the taste of these treats. These treats help reduce bad breath in cats. Number 4. Greenies Feline Natural Dental Treats Tempting Tuna. Introducing the number 1 veterinarian recommended dental treat for your cat. Give them the best in daily oral care. See a significant difference in just 28 days. It helps reduce tartar buildup by 36%, promoting healthier gums and fresher breath. Our unique design cleans deep down to the gum line. It effectively tackles plaque and tartar where it matters most. Made with natural ingredients, these treats also provide essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. It's a healthy choice for your feline friend. Your cat will love the tempting tuna flavor. Get ready for happy purrs with every crunchy bite. Support all 4 key areas of dental health: plaque, tartar, gums, and breath. It's the perfect addition to their daily routine. What we like? This is the number 1 vet-recommended treat for a reason, offering clinically proven results in reducing tartar. If your cat loves tuna and you want a tasty way to support their dental health, these treats are an excellent choice for daily oral care. What people say. The treats are effective in cleaning my cat's teeth and freshening her breath. My cat loves the taste of these treats, and they seem to help reduce tartar buildup. The texture of the treats is perfect for my cat to chew on, and they are easy for her to digest. Number 3. Best Life 4 Pets Cat Dental Care Supplement. Introducing a revolutionary way to support your cat's dental health. This supplement makes teeth cleaning comfortable and stress-free for your feline friend. Forget messy pastes or difficult brushing. These tiny, tasteless pills can be mixed with food or dissolved in water, making oral care a breeze. Promote fresh breath and support healthy gums with our gentle formula. It's a vital addition to your cat's daily wellness routine. 1 bottle provides up to 3 months of consistent use, helping to reduce plaque and tartar buildup. It's a cost-effective solution for ongoing dental wellness. Crafted in the USA with a natural homeopathic blend, this supplement is a trusted choice for cat parents seeking gentle, effective oral care. What we like? This supplement offers a brush-free, fuss-free solution that is tasteless and easy to administer, even for picky cats. If you are seeking a natural, gentle option that supports gum comfort and fresh breath, and you want a cost-effective solution that lasts for months, consider this. What people say. The dental treats are effective in cleaning my cat's teeth. My cat loves the taste of these dental treats. The texture of the treats helps to reduce plaque and tartar buildup. Number 2. VetriScience Perio Plus Cat Teeth Cleaning Bites. Give your cat a delicious reward that cleans their teeth, strengthens gums, and freshens their breath. Even picky eaters will love these tasty bites. Promote your cat's dental health easily without the mess of brushing. These bites are specifically formulated for convenient dental care. The crunchy exterior helps reduce plaque and tartar, while the soft interior supports healthy gums and fresh breath. It's a complete dental solution. Support your kitty's dental health with these nutritious bites, containing only 7 calories each. You can provide great care without excess calories or fat. These bites contain ingredients similar to our clinically proven Perio support powder. You can trust in its effectiveness for your cat's oral hygiene. What we like. With an irresistible flavor and a unique crunchy and soft texture, these bites offer dual-action dental care. If you're looking for a treat that your cat will love while actively fighting plaque and freshening breath, these are a great option. What people say. The dental treats are effective in cleaning my cat's teeth and freshening their breath. My cat loves the taste of these treats, and they seem to help reduce plaque buildup. The texture of the treats is good for scraping tartar off my cat's teeth. Number 1. Greenies Feline Natural Dental Cat Treats, Roasted Chicken Flavor. Introducing the number 1 veterinarian recommended dental treat for your feline friend. It's designed to clean teeth and freshen breath, ensuring optimal oral health. Our unique crunchy texture is clinically proven to fight tartar buildup. It helps achieve 36% less tartar in just 28 days, supporting healthier gums. This treat offers clinically proven oral care to maintain your cat's dental hygiene. Its special design works to clean effectively down to the gum line. Your cat will purr with delight at the savory roasted chicken flavor. It's a taste they'll love, making dental care a treat. With under 2 calories per treat, you can feel confident giving them daily. It's the perfect way to support their health without the extra calories. Made with natural ingredients, you can trust that you're providing wholesome care. It's a choice that benefits their overall well-being. What we like. As the number 1 vet-recommended dental treat, these offer clinically proven oral care with a delicious roasted chicken flavor. If you're looking for a low-calorie option that your cat will enjoy, and you want a trusted product to help maintain their dental hygiene, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The treats are effective in cleaning my cat's teeth and freshening her breath. My cat loves the taste of these treats, and they seem to help reduce tartar buildup. The texture of the treats is good for dental health, and my cat enjoys chewing them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.